Welcome. Here is a tutorial on how to register to create an OJS account. First, open the page via journal.uii.ac.id/istec. Then click Register. On this page, you will be asked to fill in data such as name, surname, affiliation, telephone number, and country of origin. Then you will also be asked to fill in an active email address, a username, and create a password for your account. When all is filled in, check the two boxes, but do not check the box on "Would you willing to review submissions in this journal?" After that, click Register. Congratulations, you have successfully created an OJS account.